In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays in Smartsheet. By the end, your project schedule will automatically skip non-working days so your timelines stay accurate. First, open your browser and go to smartsheet.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in, head to the workspace that contains the sheet you want to adjust. Opening the correct workspace ensures you're editing the right project and that any changes to working days apply where you expect. With your sheet open, look to the top right and click the Settings or Project Settings icon. This panel controls how Smartsheet calculates dates, durations, and the Gantt timeline. So it's the right place to set up holidays. Before we add holidays, make sure the date range for your project fits the period you're planning. In the Settings panel, choose a date range that covers all the months or years you'll be scheduling. This helps the Gantt view and calculations align with the period you actually care about. Next, enable dependencies. Turning on dependencies tells Smartsheet to schedule tasks based on start and finish dates, durations, and relationships. If you're prompted, Smartsheet will add or confirm start, finish, and duration columns for you. This is important because holidays only affect schedules when dependency-driven calculations are active. Now, find the section that controls years, weeks, and working days. Here you'll see which days of the week count as working days, and you'll find the place to enter holidays. Confirm that your working days match your team's schedule, then proceed to add specific holidays that should be treated as non-working. Click Add in the Holidays area. A calendar picker will appear. Choose the date you want to mark as a holiday. If your break spans multiple days, select the start date now and repeat this process for each additional day you need to block off. When in doubt, include any date you don't want Smartsheet to count as productive time. Once you've selected the date, click Apply to save it. You'll see the holiday listed in the Settings panel. From this point on, Smartsheet will automatically skip that day when calculating durations and task end dates. If a task lands on a holiday, the schedule will push to the next working day, keeping your timelines realistic without manual adjustments. Repeat the add, select and apply steps for each holiday you need. When you're finished, close the Settings panel. That's it. Your project will now respect holidays in all scheduling and Gantt calculations.